The overall goal of this procedure is to engineer tubular constructs for vascular tissue regeneration. This is accomplished by first combining type 1 collagen and smooth muscle cells in cylindrical geometry with the use of a molding technique. The second step is to mature the construct in a specifically designed static bioreactor. Next, the mature constructs are carefully harvested and endothelial cells are seated on the lumen of the construct using a rotating wall bioreactor. Ultimately, histology, metabolic assays, and mechanical tests are performed to evaluate the properties of these tubular constructs.
The originality of this technique is that it uses just one step to combine cells and collagen to yield tissue engineering construct with targeted mechanical properties without any additional physical or chemical treatment. Moreover, the construct can be easily manipulated thanks to specifically designed grips which allow for their manipulation and handlings.
This method can provide an insight in the interplay between cells and extracellular matrix during growth and remodeling for vascular tissue regeneration. In addition, it can be applied for a number of targeted tissues such as tendons, skin grafts, cardiac patches, and nervous system.
To begin, fabricate and assemble the static bioreactor as described in the accompanying text protocol. Included are details on reservoir.